just be on an egg diet. Then they would eat small meals every 2 hours, and it's very difficult to follow. More so because for one schedule he has to look like Amarendra Bahubali, who's beefed up and strong. For other schedule he has to become leaner with lean muscles like Mahendra Bahubali, like Shivudu. That it was difficult for them, and even for Rana. In the first part, we showed him in a different kind of bulk, and second part, you could see that he's ripped into muscles. Whatever followed their diet is up to them. I didn't put them into any diet, but I'd tell a funny incident of Prabhas. Every month, 1 month or so, they will have a cheat meal day. That's a part of the regime because you are dieting so continuously. When you give them all the carbs and everything that they wish on one day, the body system gets confused, and if the metabolic rate actually increases higher and burns the fat much better. That's the reason. But on that day, you should see the kind of display he has. 10 to 15 kinds of biryanis, just biryanis. Okay, no exaggeration. You don't even know those varieties of biryanis exist. Varieties of fish, varieties of chicken, mutton, and not just curries, fries. I just can't. You can't just imagine the kind of display he has. Yeah, and. That day we were playing for volleyball completely until 2 a.m. in the morning, and actually I was asking his brother-in-law. I asked him. I told him that I don't think I can explain that in English. I said, ఏంటండి ఫుడ్ మీ ఇంట్లో ఎవరన్నా ఏదన్నా చేస్తారు, మీ ఇంట్లో భోజనం పెట్టి తిండితో చంపేస్తారండి జనాల్ని. No, you'll kill people with food. And his brother-in-law replied, you are saying I provided all these kinds of food, and Prabhas will ask for something that I didn't even think of. That's what he said. So after we played football and 2 a.m. in the morning, Prabhas came down, he took his plate, and there are so many varieties of food there. He said, నెయ్యి తొక్కుపచ్చలు లేదా బా అని. And his brother-in-law looked at me and said, చెప్పానండి అని చెప్పి. Then at 2 a.m. in the morning, he went home, he woke up his wife, made that chutney, he brought it, and he first ate that, then continued eating. So that is Prabhas for you.